Have you ever been relaxing at home, only to be startled by an odd clanging, popping, or rumbling sound coming from your water heater? It is a common experience that can be quite concerning. You might wonder if it is on the brink of breaking down or if something serious is happening inside. Your water heater is most likely making strange noises due to sediment buildup at the bottom of its tank. Over time, minerals like calcium and magnesium, which are naturally present in your water supply, settle and accumulate. This accumulation interferes with the heating process, creating the sounds you hear and potentially reducing your unit's efficiency. When the heating element in your water heater tries to warm the water, it also heats the layer of sediment. This trapped water within the sediment heats up and eventually boils, causing little explosions as steam bubbles escape through the mineral deposits. This process is what generates those distinct popping and rumbling sounds, sometimes referred to as kettling. Beyond the noise, this sediment acts as an insulator, making your water heater work harder and consume more energy to achieve the desired water temperature. Addressing these noises often involves a simple and effective maintenance task called flushing the water heater tank. First, turn off the power or gas supply to your water heater. Next, connect a garden hose to the drain valve at the bottom of the tank and direct it to a nearby drain or outside. Open the drain valve and a hot water faucet inside your home to relieving pressure and allow the tank to completely empty. Once empty, close the drain valve and slowly turn on the cold water supply to the heater, allowing the tank to fill. This process helps to dislodge and flush out the sediment. Repeat the draining and refilling until the water running from the hose is clear, indicating most of the sediment has been removed. Understanding these sounds can actually empower you to be a proactive homeowner. The specific sound, like a deep rumbling versus a high-pitched whistling, can even give you clues about the type of mineral deposit or scale buildup inside. Regular flushing not only quiets your water heater but also extends its lifespan and maintains its energy efficiency, preventing more costly repairs down the line. By recognizing that those strange noises are usually just a sign of sediment buildup, you can take simple steps to improve your water heater's performance and ensure a more peaceful, efficient hot water supply. Maintaining this vital appliance means enjoying consistent comfort and avoiding unexpected disruptions, all while saving on energy costs and extending the life of your unit.